All right, traders around the world, it's Team With ERVING here. Welcome to our master price action day trading setup with expert tip and strategy. So what we're gonna be doing this week, guys, we're gonna be reviewing the following pair. We're gonna review Euro USD. I'm gonna tell you exactly what is gonna happen this coming week on this pair, guys. If any news come in on this pair, so it's subject to change the setup that I'm gonna give you, but stay with me. The last pair that I'm gonna give you is going to blow your mind. Another pair that I'm gonna give you, guys, it is gold. I'm gonna tell you exactly why gold is doing what it's doing. I told you last week that gold was in a buy trend, and hopefully you guys got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars collected on this particular play, guys. I'm super excited, guys. Hope you are tired of relying on guesswork with multiple time frames. All the guess is gone, so I'm gonna show you step by step how to use it. I know that a mixing pair that I'm gonna give you is NAS 100. I told you last week that NAS 100 was in a sell trend, and guess what? We still on that particular sell. So we're gonna master the price action day trading setup with expert tip and strategy. The question here is, are you ready? Stay with me to the end, guys. You will love this. The analysis that I'm gonna tell you, guys. This is what we're gonna do, guys. This is the very first pair that we're gonna analyze. We're gonna break down everything. I'm gonna tell you step by step the way how I see the market. So by the very first pair that we are gonna review, guys, is going to be Euro USD. Boom! Look, guys, this is the way how we do it. All right, so first thing first is we always gonna be paying attention to the dashboard. I love to pay attention to the 4 hours and daily time frame. That is the secret of this business, guys. Pay attention to the larger time frame. So because I'm here to help you become a successful trader, so focus on the best price action setup, period. So by doing that, you need to always pay attention what 4 hours and daily is doing. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna be looking for multiple time frame. Multiple time frame, this is magenta in arrow that it tell you it's in a buy and a sell. Then we're gonna be looking into the TW sniper entry, which is the yellow, telling us if we are in a buy or in a sell. When the market is in a buy, we have this green stairs showing us the market here is only going up. When the market is selling, we have these red stairs coming down, letting us know the market here is only coming down. All right, so when the market is up, you get all these green stairs. When the market is selling, you get the red stairs. Period. It's that simple. All right, so the very first thing that you need to pay attention, guys, on Euro USD, take a look at the dashboard, guys. Just take a look at the dashboard. The dashboard will give you the answer of what is happening on the market, because I'm telling you, we are trading, guys. You need to master price action day trading setup with expert tips and strategy. Believe me, you need to master that. All right, so pay attention to the dashboard. What is the dashboard telling you? We are on in a buy trend. That's what it's telling you. It's telling you we're all going already in a buy trend. I haven't given you the analysis yet. Stay with me to the end, guys. This will blow your mind, guys. This video is meant to be for you. Guys, please don't forget to hit and subscribe. Subscribe to the button below, guys, and turn on all the notification bells so you won't miss any of our valuable content, guys. And also give us a thumbs up if you are gonna be finding value so far on this video. All right, so then let's go check the real data. All we know, the dashboard is telling us, hey Irvin, we're in a buy trend, right? That is what the market is telling you. You know what, let me put a fixed box here so you will not get confused. Look at the dashboard. What is the dashboard saying? We're going up. So what is the next step that we need to do? We need to pay attention to the multiple time frame. Where's the multiple time frame going? That is going in a buy trend. Look at the Y multiple time frame again. Arrow is going up. Look at the TW sniper entry. Boom, it's going up. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. Market is only going in one direction only, and that is going bullish. So Euro USD, it is in a buy trend, period. It is in a buy trend. That is, guys, the price action that you are seeing on the day trading setup on this particular pair on Euro USD, guys. This is, I told you it's gonna blow your mind, guys. Now, what I'm gonna do this week, guys, this is me, guys. I believe the market is still gonna be pushing up. It's gonna come back and retest this multiple time frame one more time. It's gonna be between your 50 and your 61 Fibonacci level. So that is market still bullish. Do not get me wrong. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna wait. Then market is gonna give us a pullback. It's gonna give us a retracement. So the market is gonna retrace back all the way to your 23.6 Fibonacci level. Why? Because there's multiple support and resistance in this area, confirming the market has been bounced from this particular area. So in here we're gonna get another green arrow and boom, we're gonna go to the sky. So Euro USD pure at this present time for Monday and Tuesday, market will be hitting in a buy trend. Then we are gonna be looking for that pullback and continue that original trend. All right, hopefully so far everybody's on the same page, guys. Join our trading community and start trading with confidence today, guys. Multiple time frame is what you need, guys. Subscribe now, and together we will master price action and day trading. All right, let's go to the next pair all the week, guys. The next pair that I'm gonna give you, it is the following. Boom, it is gold. Boom, look at that, guys. Let me remind you, what is the very first thing that each and every one of you need to pay attention? What it is. It is the following, guys. It is the dashboard. What is the dashboard saying? Look at it. Look at the 4 hours and daily time frame. It's already giving you the answer. I have not given you the analysis yet on gold. Just by looking at the dashboard, that give you the heads up. If you don't know how to trade, guys, just by looking at the dashboard, all the guessing is out of your league, guys. There will be no more guess ever again on the market. So just by looking at this 2 larger time frame, you already know what's going on. Now, let's go ahead and check the real data, because that's what you're here for. You are here only to look into reality, right? I'm not here to tell you, because a lot of traders, they like to tell you, oh yeah, if you let me give you an example before I move on to real. If you would have taken this sell here, you would have make all this money here. Oh, if you would have taken this buy here, you would have make all that money here. If you would have taken this sell again, you would have make all that. No, forget about that. You're not gonna make money like that. That's not true, man. If I explain you that stuff, guys, I would look good here. No, but this is what I like to do. Let me show you the real data. I like to teach you real stuff. I like to teach you data that does not exist. I don't know what is gonna happen 100% here on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I don't know. I'm gonna go with what the price action is telling me. That's what I'm named this title, guys. Master Price Action Day Trading Setup with expert tips and strategy, so you never guess again. So look at here, multiple time frame. The dashboard here is telling us that we are in a buy trend. You already saw it already. You already saw it, right? It's telling you that. Now look at them. Look, where's the multiple time frame here? Look at here. Boom, it's in a buy trend. Look at the TW9 per entry. Boom, it's in a buy trend. Look at the stairs. Where's the stair heading? Look, boom, 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 boom. Where's the master price action going, guys? Boom, it's only going in one direction only. And this is gold. I gave you this particular pair last week. I also gave you NAS 100 for the very first time here on the YouTube channel, trading our Forex Trading. For the first time, I gave it to you, and that was on point on me. That was amazing, guys. Now, since gold's still in a buy trend, what do you think the market is going to continue to do, guys? Here, look at that. Market's still bullish. This is what I think the market will do, guys. Market's still going to be pushing, maybe till probably Monday evening or Tuesday, maybe on the Tokyo session, or I ready to trade the New York and London, but I will wait for New York and London session to pop in here. So market will continue here. Market is gonna give us a pullback. So market still bullish here, guys. So on that pullback, I'm gonna be retracing the market all the way to our 23.6 Fibonacci. Why? Because there's previous multiple time frame ones, previous multiple time frame two. So this level key here, the 23.6, is a very key level, guys. And from there, boom, market will continue on that particular buy. So what is gold doing? Gold still bullish, guys. Gold still bullish. In depth, guys, we need to break down the best price auction setup, guys. And this is one, guys. We need to expertise how to use our multiple time frame market trend and trading strategy. It's everything you need, guys. Also, guys, you need to learn how to do risk management technique to protect your capital. You cannot be blowing your account, guys. If you guys want me to do question and answer session to address your trading related questions or queries, guys, please let me know. There's a link. Let's connect on my social media. The links are in the description of this video. Let's hook up, guys. All right, so let me show you the next pair, guys, that is gonna blow your mind, and that is one more time NAS 100. Guys, if you guys want me to make a video on USD 30, let me know and I will do it. Okay, but here's NAS 100. Let me just look at the dashboard, guys. Look at the dashboard. What is the dashboard telling you? Look, the answer is done. The answer is there. I haven't given you any analysis. Look, just by looking at the dashboard, what is the 4 hours and daily time frame doing? Boom. It's telling you the market is selling. So if you disagree with me, then it's something wrong with your chart. Something is wrong with your eyes, and you need to look into it. Because here, NAS 100 is only doing one thing only, guys, and that is selling. Guys, do me a favor, subscribe, and together we will master our price action day trading. Subscribe, support the channel if you haven't subscribed, so we can continue to make amazing videos for you. All right, so let me now show you the real data of what the market is doing on NAS 100. Look at here. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard gave you the answer. You can't say I didn't tell you this. Look at that. This is, guys, we're doing real master price action day trading setup with expert tips and strategy. This is what we're doing here, guys. Forever. This is what we're doing. All right, so look at this, guys. Look at the multiple time frame. Boom, selling. What is the TW snapper entry? Boom, selling. What is the set doing? Boom, selling. What is the original master price action doing? Boom, it's selling. What is the dashboard saying? Boom, it's selling. Guys, everything here is selling, guys. Day trading is the best thing you're gonna do, guys. Trading strategy, expert tips, trading community, profitable traders, financial freedom. Guys, this is the best, guys. Now, this is the question of the year, guys. Irving, how far do you think NAS 100 is gonna go? This is me, guys. NAS 100 is gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame one more time. And here I'm expecting to see a pullback for next week, guys. So NAS 100 is gonna give us a really nice pullback going up. Boom. Why? To our 23.6 Fibonacci level, because it's previous multiple touches in this level here. So that's more than enough for me. And the market will continue on that sell position. So NAS 100 still selling. We're expecting to look into that pullback, but overall market here is only selling. The question here, guys, is what are you gonna do? Look, I already give you 3 amazing pairs. If I'm missing one pair, guys, that you want me to analyze it, please let me know. I'm here to help you. Let's grow together, guys. Let's make money. Let's grow this business, guys. All right, so once again, guys, hopefully you already subscribed. Hopefully you are finding value so far. I want to thank the world, guys, for supporting our channel, guys. And I want you to, guys, pray for the world, guys. Pray for what is happening, on this world that shouldn't happen. But pray for the world, guys. The world needs our prayers, and also, guys, pray for our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Okay. Once again, guys, I will see you guys back on our next episode. Let's go. Let's trade with Team With ERVING. Boom.